Namaste and welcome to Paper Magic. Friends, we received a lot of emails and messages from our viewers who want to learn Hindi in English language. For them, this is our first video in that series. Hindi Varnmala. In Hindi, all the alphabets together are called Varnmala. Hindi Varnmala is divided into two parts. One, Swarmala and two, Vyanjan. In English, the Hindi swar are called vowels. There are 13 swar or vowels. In English, the Hindi Vyanjan are known as consonants. There are 37 consonants. Today, we will learn all the Hindi swar or vowels. The first swar is A. The next swar is A. The next swar is E, also known as choti E. The next swar is E, also known as badi E. The next swar is U, also known as chota U. The next swar is U, also known as bada U. The next swar is Ri. The next swar is A. The next swar is A. The next swar is O. The next swar is O. The next swar is Ang. The next swar is Eh. Let us revise once again. A. I. Ri. A. O. Ang. And lastly, Eh. So friends, today we learnt all the swar or vowels of the Hindi Varnmala. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification for our new updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye everyone.